From raw mineral powder begins the journey of crafting perfect luxury glass crockery.
Soda ash is added to lower the melting point and prepare the batch for transformation.
Limestone enters the blend to stabilize the crystal clear body of the glass.
Every gram is measured carefully because clarity begins with balance.
The raw batch is mixed until every particle shares the same destiny.
Clean cullet helps the furnace melt faster and keeps the batch responsive.
Powder and crystal chips meet in the final cold mixture before the fire. The prepared batch enters intense heat, where minerals begin losing their old form. Under relentless heat, the raw batch softens and starts to fuse. Now the mixture becomes a living pool of molten crystal.
The melt is refined until bubbles release and the glass grows optically clean.
Temperature is carefully reduced so the glass can be shaped without losing its purity.
At the feeder, each future piece begins as a perfectly timed portion of liquid glass.
Hot gobs are cut with precise timing, each one carrying the mass for a single elegant form.
Each glowing gob arrives at the mold with just enough heat to obey the machine. Even the molds are prepared, warmed to receive the glass without shocking its surface.
Under pressure, the first plate shade shape blooms outward from a molten drop.
The rim is refined to give the plate its graceful weight and clean silhouette. A second portion becomes a bowl, deeper, heavier, and shaped for elegant service.
The bowl's upper edge is opened gently, creating a refined and even mouth.
For the matching glassware, the molten crystal is first captured in a compact blank. A measured breath of air pushes the crystal outward into its final vessel shape.
The upper edge is trimmed while still hot, leaving a clean opening for later refinement.
Still fragile with internal stress, every piece is carried carefully towards slow cooling.
Annealing begins by easing the glass out of thermal tension instead of forcing it cold.
Here the glass slowly releases hidden stress, building the strength luxury tableware demands.
The heat is gone, and the true clarity of the glass finally reveals itself. Each form is sorted into its own finishing path for edgework and refinement.
The plate edge is trimmed cold, removing any excess and defining perfect roundness. Grinding removes the sharpness and prepares the plate for its final luxurious smoothness.
The foot ring is ground flat, so every bowl will sit stable and silent on the table.
The bowl's mouth is softened until it feels light, thin, and precise.
The vessel's rim is ground flat and even, preparing the sensation of the first sip.
After grinding, A controlled flame returns softness and sparkle to the worked glass. Heat briefly softens the cut edge, turning haze into crystal clarity. The bowl edge is softened by fire until it feels seamless to the touch.
The drinking edge is rounded delicately, balancing comfort with luxury precision. Under strong light, even the smallest flaw becomes visible.
For the luxury finish, select surfaces are prepared for subtle decorative detailing.
A fine abrasive mist cuts a satin pattern into the surface with delicate control.
The contrast appears at once, clear crystal beside velvet soft texture.
For select pieces, a thin gold rim adds warmth and ceremonial elegance. A second controlled heating fuses the decorative layer so it becomes part of the piece.
After curing, the decoration settles into a richer and more permanent finish.
Buffing deepens the luster, sharpening every reflection across the clear surface. The broad face is polished until light moves across it without distortion.
Even the hidden underside is polished, because luxury is judged from every angle.
An ultrasonic wash removes every trace of dust and compound from the finished glass. A pure water rinses leaves the surface free from minerals, streaks, and haze.
Sheets of air pull the last water away, leaving the glass dry and brilliant.
Our trained eyes search for distortions, marks, and imperfections no machine should miss.
Laser measurement confirms the geometry behind the beauty.
Luxury glass must feel delicate, yet withstand the quiet pressures of real use. Sample testing confirms the annealing was true, and the glass remains stable through temperature change.
Only the clearest and most visually balanced pieces earn the highest luxury grade.
A discreet maker's mark seals the piece with identity and traceable craftsmanship.
Before packing, every surface is hand-finished to a flawless visual calm.
Soft protection surrounds each finished piece, so its polish survives the journey untouched.
The packaging is built to match the calm precision of what it protects.
Piece by piece, the full tableware set comes together in perfect order.
Care instructions and certification complete the luxury experience before the lid is closed.
The set disappears beneath its cover, protected and complete.
A final protective skin locks the presentation box into a clean, dust-free finish. For transport, presentation boxes are nested into stronger shipping cartons with impact protection.
Labels give every finished set a clear route from factory floor to final destination.
Finished sets are stacked with disciplined precision, ready for secure transport.
A tight spiral wrap secures the full load without crushing the fragile luxury within.
Before dispatch, one last sample confirms the journey from furnace to package remained flawless. The final audit recreates the customer's first moment with the product.
Under display light, the finished set must feel calm, rich, and effortlessly precise.
Every edge, reflection, and contour now speaks quietly of discipline.
heat, and time.
Behind every silent piece of crystal stands years of practiced human control. What began as powder and fire now moves through the factory as order, rhythm, and finished beauty.
Transformed by fire and precision, the finished set stands clear, balanced, and quietly magnificent. From raw mineral to refined tableware, the journey ends where craftsmanship begins its life in the world.